everyone, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're coming by here for the first time, my name is Ziya and this is my channel. My channel is a little bit of everything: fashion, beauty, there you go again. Body positivity. I'm starting some DIYs. I have an advice series. There's a little bit of everything, and so yeah, I hope you guys stick around and hit that little subscribe button and keep watching. Anyway, today we have a anti-Valentine's Day look. I really just wanted to do something that was really dark and like glam, but a really dark glam, you know what I mean? I was considering putting some shimmer on the eyes, but once I had it all matte, I didn't want to go back from it. So this is really matte lips, really matte eyes. They're all really dark, and I'm a really big fan. It also goes with my outfit. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, I already have my foundation, concealer, and obviously brows on. I know my brows look crazy, but it's gonna look all good once everything else is done. Plus, I might lengthen it a bit. I got a little heavy-handed. This is a problem when you do your makeup once a week. So I'm going to start doing my eyes. And to prime my eyes, I'm going to use my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Jinxie. You guys know, if you watch my videos, that this is what I put on my eyes every time I do my makeup. I'm gonna move you guys in a little bit closer so that you can see what's going on the eyes. Now I'm going to use my Naked Ultimate Basics palette. I hardly ever use this palette, but I feel like I really want to use it today. I'm going to use the color Pregame to set my primer. Next, I'm going to use the color Faith, and I'm going to apply this to my crease. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Lockout. I'm going to apply this into the crease, but a little lower, like just right in the crease, but not going up as far. You know what I mean? Okay. Now I'm going to take the shade Magnet. I don't think I've ever used this on my eyes. So I'm going to take it and put it across the whole lid. Probably staying away from the outer corners, but for the most part over the whole lid. This is a lot more gray than I was expecting, because it looks like a very nice blue in the pot. But here, not so much. So I'm just going to apply it to the other eye as well, just to keep everything even. But I think I am switching my idea as of now, because this is not looking the way I would have liked it to. I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk, and I'm going to go over the whole section where I put Magnet. So if you're trying to follow along, maybe just skip Magnet, okay? That was a waste of time. I'm going to blend the pencil out just a little bit. Okay, so I decided to actually like test what I was doing before showing it to you guys, because that grayish blue was just a mistake. So anyway, I'm using the color Lethal all over my lid, except staying away from the outer corners right now because we're gonna put a little bit of black there. So I'm applying it with a flat application brush, and then I'm going to blend it out using a blending brush. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Blackjack, also from the Urban Decay palette that I've been using. I'm just going to take the smallest bit on the outer corner, and we're going to blend it out in a minute. I'm going to go back into my crease color, which was Faith. I'm just going to blend that right up here, just to bring that gradient effect back. Hooded eyes are really, they're not like the most difficult to put makeup on, but it does get a little bit more difficult when you want to do more interesting makeup looks. Now we're going to move to the lower lash line, and basically going to mimic what I did on my lid. So for the first time, I'm going to use this little brush. This is the one that actually came with the Urban Decay palette. Ultimate Basics. I always forget what it's called. So I'm going to take Faith. I'm going to smudge that all over the lower lash line. I'm going to make it pretty low. This is a good little brush for the lower lash line. I like it. Taking a little bit of Lethal, which is the purple shade that's all over the lid. Applying that on the lash line as well. Mostly condensed on the outer edges. And I'm not bringing it all the way to the center. I'm stopping about right here. Taking the other end of the brush and just kind of going over everything, softening it up a bit. And now I'm going to take black and I'm going to put that just on the outer corner. Now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm also going to line my waterlines using my Wet n Wild On Edge Longwear eyeliner pencil. Now I'm going to go on to bronzing, and for my bronzer I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, applying this to the usual bronzing areas in the little 3 here. Now I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to use the medium shade to contour and also on my jawline. I'm going to take a little bit of the banana shade and just apply it right here and right here. Gotta let that sit for a while I contour my nose with the medium shade from the Kat Von D palette. I'm also going to take a little bit of the bronzing shade and putting it right in the center of my Cupid's bow. Next we're going to move on to blush, and I was really considering using a different blush, but I've decided not to. And going back to my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the color Mellow Wine. This is my favorite color so much, I love it. I hope they never stop making it, I really do. Now on to highlight, and for my highlight we're going to use this Profusion highlighter palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. There's no color names. Yeah, there's no color names at all. I remember these working a lot better the last time I used them. Maybe I put it on with my finger. Ah, yes, much better. Taking the same color and applying it to my inner corners and applying it to my brow bone. Alright, that is highlight so far, but we're gonna add some more because I am very much addicted to highlight. Taking a little bit of Mirror Luminizer, I'm going over this section, not like the whole thing, but just in the front, just to pull more focus to here. I'm gonna take a little bit, should probably say that out before I do it. I just put a little bit on my Cupid's bow. Now I'm taking a little bit on the inner corner, just a tiny little bit. And on my brow bone. Now I'm just blending out my my baking powder here, and I'm going to apply some lashes. I'll put up a picture. I'm putting on my Christina lashes. It's still the last pair I have. I'm trying to stretch them out as far as I can. So I'm gonna throw those on and I'll be right back. I have my lashes on now. I don't know if you can like even see them with all this dark shadow, but I feel like it's still worth it. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to the lips. And for my lips, oh wait, no. Setting spray. I always like to do my setting spray before I do my lips. And while this is still a little wet, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more highlighter. Right there. Right there. And now on to the lip color, which is also very dark. It's Vixen from Kylie Cosmetics. I really love this color. It's so pretty, so dark and vampy. Alright guys, that is the whole makeup look. I really love it. It's like super dark and like moody, and I don't know, I love it. I really love how it looks. I'm a fan. I wish I had the patience to like do this dark of eyeshadow like every day, but I don't. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so if you guys stick around for those, because I would love to have you spend my time, little growing YouTube family. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon down below so that you can keep up to date with all of my videos. Also, you can follow me over here in all these little places, so if you want to, go check those out. Mostly Instagram. I'm not really good with Snapchat, and my tweets like aren't even that great. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!